That road, the drive-in show in the flickering light, popcorn and cokes beneath the stars, your king champagne and caviar, making love on a long hot summer's night. I thought you fell in love with me watching Casablanca, holding hands in powder fans in Rick's candlelit cafe, hiding in the shadows from the spotlights, rocking the light in your eyes, making magic with the noise in mine, Chevrolet. Oh, a kiss is still a kiss in Casablanca. Your song, please come back to me in Casablanca. I love you more and more each day as time goes by. Listen to your broken hearts in Casablanca. You know I've never really been there, so I don't know. I guess our love's